Hey guys, George here with Roofgraf. A short video today on how to set up your good, better, best for your proposals in software. So if you haven't already seen the video on templates, I recommend you find that one and watch that first. That will explain to you how we set up these templates, what the purpose is of those. For today's video, we're just looking at how to arrange those into a good, better, best for our customer. So you'll see you've got your templates on the right hand side and then the proposal templates, the ones that Roofgraf will use by default on the left hand side. And to arrange these into good, better, best, what you'll need to do is select the manage button on the left hand side there, and you'll see number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we can actually have a good, better, best and well, even better or exclusive as a fourth option. Most people I work with, they just stick with 3 options here, and then you essentially just select for number 1, which would you like to be your good option? So we might say, hey, Tamco is our good, and next up we'll offer Malarkey as a slightly better version, and then we'll have, say, Certainty's Landmark as our best. So you may want to actually label these as you're creating those templates. You may want to rename it. Tamco is good, for example. Malarkey is better, for example, and so on and so forth. And then obviously when you get to a job, if I just jump in and create a new job at random, let's go to Devon Street. You guys will probably be familiar with this address if you're watching any of our training videos. Just running through this real quick, guys, just to show you how this actually works when you're creating a quote. So we'll just get anything on there for now. Here we go, we've got some hips on there, we've got some more hips. Excuse me, trying to go too fast there. Okay, so that will do for now. All we want is just a few different line types. So we've got some eave on this one, some hip and some ridge. So now we've completed our drawing. As usual, Roofgraf will run the measurements through our templates, but now you see we have our good, better and our best lined up there on the screen. Obviously you would make the necessary changes, enter your client's information, and now you can see on your quote here, here's our good, here's our better, new statement of work, and here's our best option on the right hand side. So that's, as I say, just a quick video. If ever you want to change which templates are being applied, if the customer says, hey, I don't want to see Tamco or Malarkey, you can go to the job details page. So that's just from the jobs page, clicking on that particular job. And then on this job details page, down to your summary, and there you can have that same manage template button. So there you can actually line these up and say, no, GEF is good, Owens Corning is better, Presidential Shake, for example, is best. So you save those changes, and then your proposal should already be updated. If we use the, there we go, open proposal button, now we have a new list of good, better, best templates. So again, as always, call us with questions, 888-997-1101 and extension 2. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.